Hey YouTube, hope you guys doing well. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your Xbox and PlayStation controller. First, we're going to go to settings, remotes and devices. And then from there, go to Bluetooth. And we're going to go to our controller. We're going to press on the share and power button for a little bit. Alright, so we should have a flash. And it's going to show on our menu. We're going to go there and select DualShock 4. And it's look like it's connected right now. Alright, so you can control the menu, go anywhere you want. Let's try a game. Let's try this one. This is one of the new games that was dropped off on the arcade subscription with the Apple TV and also works with the iPhone. It's pretty cool. You get like to use boats and also cars. So let's use multiple buttons. Let's fire a missile over here. Speed up a little bit. So far, so good. The response are really, there's no delay whatsoever between the Apple TV and the remote controller. It's so much fun playing this game. Switching between boat and car, between missions, it's kind of cool. I'll leave the name of the game in the description and all the games that I'm going to try in this video. So to exit the game, you either can pause by pressing the power button, so you can pause your game, or you press and hold to go back to the home page. Just like this. All right. Let's try Frogger. Alright, so I'm going to use the D-pad. It's much easier to use D-pad on these kind of precision kind of games. Rainbow jelly bean. Woohoo! Oops. Alright, let's get a buddy. Let's get you another heart. It's like a cute little game, so it's fun for kids and family to play along with. There's all kinds of these cool gadgets and power-ups. So if you get like, I think 100 jelly beans, you can have like a power-up. Okay, so now let's turn off the controller now that we're done playing with it. So you just press and hold for a little bit. It takes a minute. And it's gonna turn off and save our battery for use later. To turn it back on, you want to press the button again. And sometimes it doesn't turn right away. So you want to try it 1 or 2 times until the lights stayed connected with a different light. Let's try it again. All right, looks like it's working now. So another way we can disconnect this is just by going to settings, remotes and devices, and Bluetooth. And we can select our controller and disconnect it from here. If we want to use it with PlayStation, we can just go back there and unpair it. So that's why we can use it with the PlayStation. Right. So another thing we could do is to connect an Xbox controller, which is really cool. And just like PlayStation, we press the power button for the Xbox, and we'll press the connect button over here. So it should start flashing rapidly. Yeah, just like this. And then on our settings, where it's gonna show Xbox wireless controller. We're just gonna go there and select it with our remote. And we're connected. Now let's try up some games and see how the Xbox handle video games. Let's go down and select this one over here. It looks like it's functional. It's pretty good so far. Yeah, being a Bluetooth controller Xbox is pretty good. So far, I like both Xbox and PlayStation controllers, so either way, you're gonna have fun playing video games. It's much better than using any third-party kind of knockoff remote or controller. All right, so let's disconnect our controller. So just press the Xbox button for a little bit until it's turned off. And to turn it back on, we could press the power button again. And voila. Just like the PlayStation, we can go to settings and turn it off over there. And we can also unpair it so we can hook it to our Xbox and play with it. Well, this was it. I hope you guys liked this video, and see you in the next one. Please subscribe and like the video.